Today, let's explore one of the most fascinating secrets of humankind together. Imagine you're standing in the middle of a bustling international airport. In less than a minute, dozens of faces pass by. A girl with warm brown skin like freshly baked bread, a young man with glossy black skin like roasted coffee beans, a little boy with rosy white skin like fresh milk cream, and a girl with glowing golden skin like ripe autumn rice. They are all human. They all laugh, love, and dream the same dreams. So why do we have so many different shades of skin? It's not by accident. It's not random luck. It is the result of an epic evolutionary journey spanning hundreds of thousands of years, a journey in which humans tailored for ourselves the most perfect skin suits to survive under the harsh sunlight of planet Earth. And the main character of this story is an invisible yet incredibly powerful superhero, Melanin. Melanin, the protective umbrella and smart filter. Around 200,000 to 300,000 years ago, all our common ancestors of Homo sapiens lived in Africa, a land near the equator with scorching sunlight all year round. At that time, everyone's skin was deep dark, rich in melanin. Melanin is not just decorative paint, it is a brown-black pigment produced by melanocyte cells. It acts like a natural sunscreen with an extremely high SPF. It absorbs and scatters ultraviolet UV rays, invisible but extremely dangerous rays that can cause sunburn, skin cancer, and destroy folate, vitamin B9, a nutrient crucial for fetal brain development and reproductive health. As our ancestors gradually lost their thick body hair to run faster and cool down in the hot climate, their skin became the only shield left. Dark skin was the perfect armor that helped them survive and reproduce successfully under Africa's intense sun. The Great Migration, when the umbrella became a burden. Then the story entered a dramatic new chapter. Around 60,000 to 100,000 years ago, some brave groups of people left Africa and began their journey to conquer the world. They headed north to the cold lands, spread across vast Asia, crossed oceans to the Americas and Australia. Each new land brought a different sun challenge. When they reached areas far from the equator, such as northern Europe, the sunlight became much weaker, especially in winter. This is when thick melanin started causing big problems. Dark skin blocked nearly all UV rays, leaving the body without enough raw material to produce vitamin D. Vitamin D is the supervitamin that helps absorb calcium, keeps bones strong, boosts the immune system, and supports reproduction. A serious deficiency can lead to rickets, osteoporosis, weakened health, and difficulty having healthy children. Therefore, over tens of thousands of years, natural selection took place. Individuals with lighter skin, less melanin, in low sunlight regions could absorb more vitamin D from the limited sunlight. They had a better chance of survival and passing on their genes. Meanwhile, groups that remained near the equator continued to maintain dark skin to protect folate and prevent skin cancer. The result? Skin color became a smart protective suit, custom designed for each environment. In intense sunlight, dark skin equals thick armor against UV rays. In weak sunlight, light skin equals thin layer that easily absorbs vitamin D. The human skin rainbow on the world map. Today, if you look at a world map, you'll see a beautiful and clear pattern. Near the equator, Africa, South India, parts of Southeast Asia, and indigenous Australia. Darker skin tones dominate. Far from the equator, north or south, northern Europe, northern Asia. Lighter skin tones are more common. In between, East Asia, the Mediterranean, Latin America, warm brown, golden, or neutral tones. All human skin colors are simply different shades of the same melanin, from the darkest brown to the lightest brown. We don't have absolute white skin or black skin. Instead, we have one continuous sepia rainbow. With airplanes, ships, and globalization, people move constantly. Many dark-skinned people now live in cold regions and vice versa. Fortunately, modern science helps us supplement vitamin D through food and supplements and use sunscreen to protect our skin when needed. The most beautiful message. Skin color does not define who we are. It is simply powerful proof of the human species' incredible ability to adapt. Every skin tone is an evolutionary story, a suit that our ancestors tailored over hundreds of generations to conquer every corner of the earth. So the next time you meet someone with a different skin color, don't compare. Just smile and think, they are part of the human skin rainbow, the beautiful result of hundreds of thousands of years of adventure under the sun's rays. Skin color does not determine who we are as people. What truly matters is our hearts, our minds, and how we treat one another. We are all brothers and sisters in the same species. Differences in skin color do not divide us. Instead, they beautifully remind us that humans are strong enough to adapt to any environment, and it is precisely this diversity that has helped us become the dominant species on this planet. What do you think? What kind of protective suit is your skin color? Feel free to comment below. Thank you for joining this exploration. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating science secrets.